Hello, welcome back. This is the Crochet Masterclass, and today I'm going to show you how to do a variation of the single crochet, which is called the extended single crochet. This is just a variation that gives you a very different look from a regular single crochet, and you can incorporate this whenever you're working just single crochets, just to make your crochet experience a little bit more fun. So let's get started. So for this example, I am simply going to chain up maybe 10 or 15 stitches and just make a foundation chain of single crochets, and then I'll show you how to work the extended single crochet. Okay, so to work an extended single crochet, we're simply going to chain one and turn if you're working in rows. If you're working in rounds, you're simply just going to chain one. So chain one and turn. And now I am going to work the extended single crochet. So in order to do this, I am going to work directly into my first stitch, which is right here. Insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. 2 loops on your hook once again. As you can see, this is the variation, and we are extending our single crochet up by, I'm going to say like half a stitch. So now we are going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and that is a completed extended single crochet, or ESC. So once again, I'm going to work up a quick swatch so that way you can kind of see it, and we'll compare it with a single crochet stitch as well, so that way we can kind of see how it looks compared to a regular single crochet stitch. So one thing to note about this stitch is that it's not going to be as dense as a regular single crochet. So you're going to have more holes, which, is just the nature of crochet. And you might run into a problem while working the stitch, which is what I struggle with a lot whenever I'm working the ESC, is that I tend to want to go back to working a regular single crochet. So this one's going to take a little more concentration than a regular single crochet because we are adding that extra step in between. So a little tidbit of information, you can actually do an extended stitch for every single crochet stitch out there. So I'm going to say basic single crochet stitch, I should say. So like a half double, you can do an extended half double crochet. You can do an extended double crochet. It's basically the same concept. I might do some videos on those stitches, seeing as they're so simple. If you want to see those tutorials, let me know in the comments down below, or just hit that like button if there are enough likes or comments saying that they would like to see something like that. I would definitely make videos on it. Other than that, I'm just going to continue on working on the basic stitches, and I am going to do that whole thing where you just assume that everybody knows how to do it. But let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see all of the extended stitches out there. So here is my swatch of the extended single crochets, and here are the regular single crochets. You might remember this if you watched my video on how to do a single crochet stitch, but here is my swatches, and as you can see, if you kind of like really step back and take a look at them, they do look different. They look similar, but different. It just gives you a different feel. To me, the extended single crochet is more like crunchy looking. I don't know. It just has more of a texture to it. It's more bumpy. It's more airy. As you can see the holes from the stitches a lot more. And it probably helps that I'm using a larger crochet hook than needed as well, because I really want you to see the stitches. If I get up really close, you can see what it looks like. So here's a one row right here, and here's the back side of our stitches. And give you a quick comparison of a regular single crochet stitch. So there you go. There is the extended single crochet stitch. I think this stitch is really fun. It just gives it a different look. So it's not like so much the same as everything else. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to make a comment down below if you have any questions about anything, and I'll do my best to answer them. And also, if you want to see other tutorials, like crochet-wise, let me know also in the comments down below, and I will add it to the list, because right now I have a running list of things that I want to show you guys, but I really don't know what beginners want to see. So let me know in the comments down below, and I will attempt to make a video on it and hopefully make it coherent. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Happy crocheting. Bye!